In the next few minutes, learn why DevSecOps matters to your business. DevSecOps and DevOps should be the same thing. In theory, they're the same thing. And at some point, they got misrepresented a little bit, I think. DevOps, if you break it down just to the terms, dev and ops is development plus operations. Security kind of get left behind when a lot of companies adopted DevOps. Well, if you go back to Agile, when Agile became a thing, say 15 years ago, ish, what happened was, as part of that concept, quality became more embedded. It became more coupled with development. There wasn't two separate things. And so that also changed the mindset. You started developing with a quality mindset. It wasn't an afterthought. And so as we've rolled on, it naturally happened where security was a little bit more separate, important, certainly, but separate. I think it's just rapidly coming to the forefront because, you look at the news every day and, we've been breached. We've almost become kind of numb to it. Oh, yeah, millions of passwords, millions of users of information. So I think it's just coming more to the forefront as a bigger issue. If you look at an example like automotive, like cars, right? Imagine if when a car was being designed, they didn't factor in safety, quality as well. If they didn't factor those things in till the very end, that'd be a problem. Nobody would want that car, right? They get to the end, it's like, oh yeah, the wheel falls off. Oh, sure, there's no locks. Sure, we'll go back and patch that up. It's not a good model. Bringing the two together, as you would tie in other things that we've added to the pipeline, like quality and things like that, you can also add in those scans, various types of security scans to run as part of that continuous integration. So just like you'd get problems popping up with, code level, code coverage, review type things. You could get something from a security scan, for example, maybe it finds a hard-coded API key that you missed, or, it's just a newer developer goes through those practices. That would be highlighted as a vulnerability. As with most changes or new implementations, it's a mind shift, right? It's changing the way people work together. How they do handoffs, how they interact, when they interact. The tools make it a lot easier and save a lot of time. That's where the big value comes from, is minimizing that waste and rework, infusing the idea of security into, the actual development and validation of the software. We'd love to hear from you. Check out the QR code below if you have any questions or feedback.